Stars of tomorrow get their shot in the limelight today as the show's coverage of the Southern League is on the air. Ought to be a good one here between the Mobile Bay Bears and the Biloxi Shuckers. And before we get on with things here this evening, a look at the two starting lineups we'll see featured tonight. And let's also get a brief look at our two starting pitchers as you see how they stack up right there. Doyle Bryan will come forward now, back in the lineup after being used as a pinch hitter last night. Here comes a 1-2. Now here's a swing and a ground ball back up the box. One there, relay to first in time, and just like that, this side is retired. So a couple of hits here in the top half, but nothing comes of it. So it's on to the bottom of inning number 1, no score. Catfish Brown will get his first shot here, and he certainly had it working so far this season, up over 350 entering play. First offering on the way. Swinging a ball hit on the ground. But a foul ball here, 0-1. Comes set, now the pitch. Right over the top with that curveball, and it's 0-2. Eric, you take a look at our visiting club as they take the field tonight here in the bottom of the first. They've been on a real nice run of late, winning 5 of their last 6 games.
And slowly but surely, they're getting back towards 500. They can even get to 500 if they can come up with a win here.
Catfish Brown will get a shot now with 2 on and 2 out here in inning number 2.
Brown.
Now the first pitch. This is hit down the right field line, but it's going to get out of play for strike 1. He's ready. Now the pitch. And, oh, look out. Up and in and nearly took his head off.
He did not like that one bit. You know, it's one thing to work in with the hard stuff, but don't do it around the dome.
The 1-1. Line hard into left. And the 2-out threat will not come to pass as the inning is over. So it's no runs on 2 hits, no errors, and 2 men left stranded. We played 2 full. The home team leads this thing 2-0. Catfish Brown will dig in now. He's struck out and lined out in his first 2 at-bats.
Catfish Brown.
Now here's the first pitch. And that misses, ball 1.
1 ball, no strike.
Here's the pitch. Swing and a broken bat as this ball's hit on the ground. And the underhanded throw gets him for the out.
You know, you always worry about the pitcher in a situation like this because he's the closest one to the action. So, of course, he has the least amount of time to dodge anything that comes his way. but he concentrates well enough to get the baseball and throw the guy out at first.
Eduardo Casto will dig in now. 1 for 2 to this point.
Here we go, right now, fellas.
Now the pitch.
And here we go.
Hit hard on the ground to short. Throw gets him 2 down.
And I'll tell you, I like the way he's handling himself out there. Going after guys, he's working ahead in the count, and he's keeping the ball around the plate. All the things you want to see in a young pitcher.
Now a swing and a hard hit ball to short. Throw to first will get him easily, and the side is retired. So no runs on a hit here, no errors, 1 man left on. On now to the bottom of inning number 7, and the home team leads it 4-2. Michael Valencia will get the ball now as he'll take over on the mound to start the home 7. Catfish Brown will stand in, and they've been able to hold him in check so far. 0 for 3 to this point.
Yeah, it's kind of surprising that he's been a non-factor in this one. Usually a major force in their offense.
Come on, baby. See it? Grab it. Hey, first pitch strike to the head right here.
And this is popped fouled off to the right and back into the seats. Now here it comes. Hard hit to third. And there's a base hit, so a chance for some insurance here to start out the home half of the 7th.
And he'll be thinking that's an out he should have had here to lead off the inning. This was maybe not the most routine of hops, but still, you'd think he'd at least be able to get a glove on it.
Stepping in now, Jason Rogers. He'll take a look at a pitch too low. It's ball 1.
And you know, down there at third base, he absolutely wants another shot at a ground ball. Something to try and make up for that error.
Here's the 1-0. No offer at the curveball either. It's 2-0.
Yeah, he's looked at 2 close pitches. You get the feeling that this is the calm before the storm. I think he'll unload on this one if this thing is anywhere near the zone.
Here's the 2-0. Now here's one hit in the air to the right side, but this is back into the seats, a foul ball. Here's the 2-1 pitch. And this is swung on and bounced on the ground to third. And a sliding try there at third, but it skips by him, a base hit. Javier Feliz will step in. Singled and came around to score his last time.
Hey, we got no one.
Pause, now the pitch. In there, 0-1. A look here at the hits per side here in the late going. From the belt, kicks and deals. And he drops that one in for strike 2.
Yeah, he came with a little bit of a different look that time. This pitch is also in there knee-high, and now they've got him behind in the count, 0-2.
Good lead off his second there. Now the pitch. The 0-2 is a breaking pitch taken for a ball, 1-2.
Still now on 1-2, you don't have to make the perfect pitch out there. The count is still well in your favor on the mound.
Now a spin and a throw back to second. Runner back safely. The 1-2. Got him. Fooled on the pitch as he swings at it in the dirt for strike 3. The tag, and he is out at third base. It's a double play. Catfish Brown will stand in. He reached on an error last time through.
Catfish Brown.
First pitch coming. Here's a ball skied in the air near the line, back behind first. Avila takes charge out there, and he stays with it for the second out.
Here's that swing again. This is in show motion. And you'll see that that's a few inches above the thumb. You'll be feeling that one all night long.
And a very good performance offensively for this bunch, but out of everyone, I think we should single out this fellow right here as our top player of the game.
And now, welcome, your
And before we progress any further, let's have a quick look at our two starting lineups for tonight. And then briefly, let's take a look at the two starting pitchers who get the assignment here. David Soriano will have his first opportunity now as it comes with the bases empty here in the top of the first. The 1-2. Now a ball hit back up the middle to his left. He's up with it. Throw to first will get him easily, and the side is retired. So not much happening here in the top half of the first. So it's on to the bottom of inning number 1. No score. Catfish Brown will get his first cuts now, and he'll do so with the bases empty and 2 away here in the first.
Brown.
Now the first pitch. And here's a called strike at the knees. Don't think he liked that one too much, but it's 0-1. Eric, you take a look at our visiting club as they take the field tonight here in the bottom of the first. Despite the loss last time out, they'd won 4 in a row, so they'd been on a nice little roll here.
Yeah, and the pitching really let them down last night. Too often their guys were falling behind and having to throw fastballs on 2-0 or 3-1. That'll catch up with you after a while.
And this is lined into left field for their first hit of the ball game.
Just amazing what this guy's done with the bat this year. I mean, even when he's in a 2-strike hole, he still finds a way to come through.
Number 35 will come forward now, back in the lineup after being used as a pinch hitter last night. Prior to the at-bat, a check on first. A dive, but he's back. Here's the first offering. And he takes ball one. Here's the 1-0. And this is swung on and bounced on the ground to third. Throw on to second for the force, and the side is retired. And inning in the books tonight, still scoreless here on the show. Robert Cahill will stand in with a run in, 1 out and 1 on here in the inning.
Hey, come on, big guy. Give yourself right here.
Here's the 1-2. Swinging a ground ball towards the middle. Step on the back for one. Relay to first in time, and just like that, the side is retired. So 1 run here on 2 hits, including the home run. No errors. And no one left on base. We'll move on to the bottom of inning number 3. All tied at 1-1. Catfish Brown will stand in. A base hit his first time around.
Catfish Brown.
First pitch coming. First pitch hack in here, and that's the first strike. Now here it comes. Swing and a ball hit hard on the ground towards second. Throw gets him, 2 down. Diego Silva will see if he can do it again. He homered his first time around. Here's the 2-1 pitch. A swing, and he pops him up on the infield, and the infield fly rule will be in effect here.
Boy, that's just a nice pitch right there with the bases loaded. He gets an infield fly out of it for a big second out. And now he's given himself a much better chance to get out of this mess.
Catfish Brown will dig in here. 1 for 2. He's singled and grounded out so far.
Brown.
Now here's the first pitch. And a foul pop behind the plate. Hits are even right now at 5 aside. He's set, now the pitch. Swinging a ball hit well to the right side, but this will get into the crowd. He's set, now the pitch. And oh, a big rip at the curveball, but he didn't get it, and he becomes the second casualty of the inning.
Well, right from the start, this looked like it had the potential to be a big inning. But with 2 guys on, he comes back to get the pop-up, then he gets the strikeout, and so now he's bounced back to turn things into his favor.
Diego Trevino will get things started here in the top of inning number 6.
Here we go, boys.
Ready now on 1-1. Hit on the ground to short. Throw to first gets him, so the leadoff man's retired here to begin the sixth.
The catcher, number 8.
Catfish Brown will step in now to lead off the home half of the seventh.
The shortstop, Catfish Brown.
Swing and a miss on a pitch in the dirt, and it's strike one.
And for as bad as he missed that pitch, you can bet we're going to see that again before this at-bat's over.
Ball one. Now, how important is it going to be for this guy to throw that curveball for strikes?
I don't know that he necessarily needs to ever throw it for a strike. I mean, if it's around the plate and he's getting guys to go after it, it's doing its job. But if he starts to get too high or too far outside, then it's just an easy take.
He ties him up with a fastball inside, 1-2. Fastball called, strike three, and there's the first out of the inning.
Well, let's isolate this release here. You can see he's got an easy motion, easy delivery, and boom, then he runs this pitch up there pretty darn quick.
Jamal Bromberg will stand in, and it's a bullpen game now. Both starters out as we begin inning number 8.
Yeah, both starters are out, and since we're tied, both starters not going to be involved in the decision.
Here comes a 1-2. Now a swing and a ground ball. Throw on to first in time, so the leadoff man is set down to open up inning number 8.
Now batting, left fielder, Diego.
Catfish Brown will stand in now, and we'll see what they do about perhaps getting that winning run to second.
Catfish Brown.
Here's the first pitch. And here's a fastball called for strike one.
And that's about where he'll sit with that fastball, 93, 94. And that's plenty hard enough to blow it by guys when you need to.
The 0-1. Hammered the other way to deep right field. But he's going to haul this one in on the run as he winds up just shy of the wall for the first out. Robert Cahill will stand in. Called out on strikes his last time. Now the 1-2. Pitch runs in a little here as this is softly hit out towards short. Oh, and he has some trouble with it. So no runs here, no hits, no errors, and a runner left. It's getting late. One run can win it as we move to the bottom of the 11th. And we are all tied at 3 apiece. Mark Takatsu will take over now to start the home 11th, knowing that just one would be the end of this ball game. Catfish Brown will dig in, needing to find a way to get that go-ahead run in from second base.
Brown.
Here's the first pitch. And this is going to be fouled into the diamond level seats. Possible winning run on second. No one out. The 0-1. Now this is lined into right center. He comes through. Around third and being waved on home. Now the relay home. And they've come back to win it here in 11 innings.
And he's going to get mobbed for that one. What a great at-bat here as he just comes through in the clutch and drives home that winning run from second base.
Player of the game.
Yeah, I think in the end this really could have been anybody's award, but what the heck, let's go ahead and give it to this guy. He's as deserving as anybody.
So that'll put a wrap on things here this evening for my